Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on an Aeotec AirQ temperature and humidity sensor. Now you may need to do this reset if it's no longer sending data to the app, or it's not connecting, or if it keeps disconnecting, it won't pair to your device. Any kind of issues like this, or if it's not responding, can be very often be fixed with a hard factory reset. Now this will restore the factory default settings, so you will need to repair it and reset it up. But if you want to do this, it's quite easy to do. There's really only one button on this thing, and that's the center power button. So you're just going to come in and press it, and you press and hold it for 10 seconds. And you'll know that you're done when the little LED light starts to blink green. And when it starts to blink, you can just let go. And once it lets go, you just wait for it to finish blinking. It'll blink for several seconds. And that means that the hard reset is complete. Then you can turn it back on, reset it up, repair it with whatever devices, etc.